He's like with his shirtless son. Binoculars.
Let the sun rev the car, bro. Come on.
Nah, not about that. Not about that. But is your guy gonna bother you, or what?
No, he saw us on the phone. He understood.
Hello.
Oh,
How are you? Hello.
Hello.
We have friends. Say hello.
Good.
Video. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, America. Hello to America. You know him? He's traveling around the world in a muscle car. You speak English? No English.
This guy wants me to take a photo with him.
Your guy? There you go. Akuda.
From inside.
Akuda.
Where
Classic
Akuda?
Akuda. What's Akuda?
It means where? Where are you from?
Where? Ah, America. America. Me, America. You?
Amerikanski.
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 Amerikanski, да. You?
Amerikanski.
Mangystau.
Mangystau?
Mangystau.
Kazakhstan.
You Mangystau.
Да, Mangystau.
Ah, okay. Me, Amerikanski.
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 America.
American?
Yeah.
She said she's from America.
Yes. It's easier that way, you know?
This guy's getting photos while I'm in the car. Look at this. This is hilarious.
That's great. I have that all the time.
Fucking funny.
Oh, that's wild. Oh, there's multiple. Oh,
I'm
man.
just gonna get out so they can take a photo. Salam alaikum. Hello. Hi.
That's funny. That's funny. You're in Kazakhstan getting people talking to you in the middle of nowhere.
Very good.
While I am getting...
Good.
That's wild.
Same timing. It's hilarious.
I know. I'm holding your phone up to the... That's wild. All right. Let me call you back then. All right. Bye.
Internet is sotka.
Internet?
Да.
Yeah, internet. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You have internet? No? Binoculars. Can I see? Oh. Look at that.
Что там?
Отлично. Отлично.
Нормально.
How old are you? How old are you?
А,
Как 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 20, 13.
сидишь? А?
13.
13.
13. 1,
Yeah.
1, 3. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. Me? 29.
29.
29, да.
А это?
3.
Secret.
Secret.
Сколько?
Как, how do you say?
No, it's a secret.
It's a
Why?
secret. Ah,
No,
okay,
you
it's a
don't
secret.
have to go
It's a
with
secret.
that.
Yeah.
Of course.
Secret, I don't know. And then women. Women.
Скажи.
Yeah.
Вы 48.
Huh?
4-8.
47. You.
Да.
48. 48. 47. 47. 47.
А
Oh,
это?
nice. 47.
Маленький, да?
Маленький, да.
О чем это? Когда? Сколько? Сколько это?
Me?
Давай.
Ah, she's secret. Women.
Покажите, что там.
I don't know.
Right?
Yeah, I translate.
Что там, маленький это?
Маленький, да.
А,
Let's see. You know women, they don't like to say their age.
да. Как там погода?
Ты же знаешь женщин, они не любят называть свой возраст.
А, все. Молодец. Молодец, молодец.
Молодец. Oh, my phone is dying.
Возраст не знаю. Не интересует, да?
Do you want me to put it on charge?
No, I have.
You have it.
I'm on charge now. Yeah. It's dead. It's dead. It's your land? Your land? Your land.
Не понял.
What's yours?
Toy?
Твой? Твой?
Да,
Твой. Your land.
да.
Ah. Your horses.
Да, вон там. Да,
Yours.
да, да.
Ah, they're yours. Ah, okay. We шпат here. It's okay? It's хорошо? Or не хорошо? Хорошо?
Хорошо.
Хорошо? Oh, okay. Спасибо.
Нормально.
Спасибо. Yeah. It's Sonsa. She's crazy. Me here, block in the shade. She Sonsa любишь Sonsa.
Загорает, да, по-моему?
Загорай, не понимаю. Here,
Понимает, по-моему.
here, do you have snakes? Snakes?
Желан?
Шлан or нет?
Есть.
Here?
Есть.
Yeah, да? Big? Большой?
Нет, не
Маленький.
маленький.
Маленький?
Большой нету.
Do they bite? Да?
Нет.
Нет? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. We see lots of little bugs. Ants.
Вот это.
Ants. Вот это. Вот это?
Да.
Вот это. Ants.
Энс,
Okay.
да?
Ants. Вот это. Huh. He's nice shoelaces he has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very, like almost like my Mew Mew.
Yeah, almost Mew Mew, but definitely not.
I have like it's actually they look exactly the same with the same color.
There's just a bit of a price difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ну давай.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Спасибо.
Thank you.
Ciao, пока. He didn't want to shake hands. That's cool. There they go. That was interesting. I think it's their land. I don't know. Anyway, hello guys, and welcome to another day here with Camperghini, living in the back of a Lambo. I haven't been filming all day. It's like 5 in the afternoon, but I've been working on the computer. We've done some sun tanning, we've done some cooking, and everything else. So, are you having a good day today?
Yes.
Yes?
Every day is a great day with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
but I think you need to get in the shade because you're getting red. You're
And
getting
my legs
burned.
too?
You're getting burned. Your face is getting burned.
What legs?
Your face is as red as that jacket is.
Really? How wonderful.
I wouldn't say so. Look at the camera. Let's see. She's getting pretty red, isn't she, guys? It's not good. It's not good. Not good. Not good for you. Anyway, I gotta get back to work and get on the call with Sinclair. Oh yeah, by the way, that's who that was on the phone, is Sinclair. So Sinclair's in Mangystau, here in Kazakhstan. We're like 5 hours apart by the road, like 2 hours apart or less by the crow flies because of all these canyons and such. And we were talking on the phone, and he's got someone in the middle of nowhere coming up to him at the same time that we have someone in the middle of nowhere coming up to us. He literally had some guys in the middle of nowhere coming up and taking pictures, like, and trying to knock on his window. Whoa. Also the same guys here. Like, is that incredible timing or what?
Synchronization 101.
Yeah, that was nuts. That's like universe synchronization. You better check on him and see what's going on. Alrighty, y'all. Going for our sunset jog. Getting some steps in for the day. Wow, look at that. That is a beautiful looking sunset. I don't know why I'm running the opposite way. Maybe so I can run back. That's why. That makes sense. That's what we're doing. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. That is epic. Now, the canyon view's over there, but this is an epic plains view. Where's she going? All right, she's cooking dinner.
Yes.
From her-
Steaks and potatoes.
Steaks and potatoes.
Yes.
Do you like your kitchen?
I love it. I love and hate relationship.
With your kitchen.
Yeah. It looks a bit depressive, but it's very practical.
It is practical. It blocks the wind.
And I actually have the view on the
You have a nice sunset view out your door, yeah.
Yes, I have a sunset view. It's
Abs-
almost like we can sell this piece of real estate.
Yeah.
No neighbors.
No neighbors. Look at that view. It's incredible. I don't know how much you guys can hear with all this wind going by. But anyway. Thank you for cooking. What are we cooking? Oh.
We have meat and potatoes.
Meat's coming.
Yes, I need to clean it. It smells weird.
Oh, really?
Like you know, proper like butcher
Butcher shop meat.
shop meat. Yeah. We need to cook it ASAP.
Yep. What's going on with these potatoes?
It's almost cooked, but I also put a lid on.
Oh, nice.
my personal assistant told me to do it.
What?
My personal assistant. She texted me that it's gonna be cooked faster this way.
You asked your personal assistant how to cook potatoes?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, what do we feel about that? She freaking asking her assistant how to cook potatoes in the middle of nowhere, Kazakhstan.
Yes, because before I was cooking business proposals.
Cooking business proposals, not potatoes?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And you have to adapt, right?
Oh, well, at least you're learning, you know?
Exactly,
I mean,
exactly.
yeah. That's good, I guess.
See, I even sent her a picture.
I see it. I see it. Wow. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. This is freaking hilarious. What else do you ask your assistant on?
For now, that's it.
You sure?
Yeah. Do you want for me to ask her something?
Do you ask her how to suntan?
No, I know that better.
Oh, okay.
I live in Dubai.
Okay. Do you ask her how? Okay, it's YouTube. I can't say that. Anyway, good luck with the potatoes. Let me know when they're ready. I'll be in the house.